Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are having a great day. Today I am going to show you how can you protect your Excel workbook by using a password so that anyone want to access the workbook have to enter the password. Suppose you have this type of confidential data and you want to protect it. So to assign a password, you have to go to the files tab, then here you have to go info. Here you have to go to the protect workbook. Then here you will see encrypt with password. You just have to enter your password you want. You want 1, 2, 3, 4 and OK and re-enter it 1, 2, 3, 4. OK. A password is required to open this workbook. Okay. And then we save file and close it. This is our file. You will see that it requires a password to open it. As you see, it requires a password to open the file. If you put an incorrect password and OK, it will not open the workbook. You see a pop-up from Microsoft Excel appears that your password is incorrect. You have to close the file and reopen it and enter the correct password. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and OK. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.